Working with a tool. To use any tool of the toolbox, follow the steps given below. यहाँ पर हम टूल बॉक्स में टूल का कैसे यूज करेंगे उसके लिए स्टेप्स बताए गए हैं. क्लिक ऑन द टूल इन द टूल बॉक्स. इफ देयर इज ए ट्रायंगल एट द टूल्स राइट बॉटम कॉर्नर में टूल्स रहते हैं. होल्ड डाउन द माउस बटन टू व्यू द हिडन टूल. देन क्लिक ऑन द टूल यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट. फिर है वर्किंग विथ टूल्स ऑफ फोटोशॉप. Rectangular marquee tool. The marquee tool is used to select area of an image. Once you have select the image, you can cut, copy, delete, move or manipulate it. The steps to use the marquee tools are: open the image by using open options of the file menu. Click on the small arrow at the bottom right corner of the tool. Select the required marquee tool from the list. Means right corner पे क्लिक करके और जो भी टूल हम चाह रहे हैं उसका यूज करके और इमेज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. रेक्टेंगुलर मार्क्यू टूल, इलेप्टिकल मार्क्यू टूल, सिंगल रो मार्क्यू टूल, सिंगल कॉलम मार्क्यू टूल टू सिलेक्ट द पार्ट ऑफ द इमेज अकॉर्डिंगली. हम इनकी हेल्प से इमेज का पार्ट सिलेक्ट द पार्ट ऑफ द इमेज अकॉर्डिंगली, मतलब अपने इमेज का पार्ट को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. फिर है ब्रिंग द माउस पॉइंटर एट रिक्वायर्ड प्लेस इन द इमेज and drag to select the area of the image. A dashed moving border will appear around the area so that it has been selected. माउस पॉइंटर को रिक्वायर्ड प्लेस पे लाना है और ड्रैग करना है उस इमेज को. A dashed moving border will appear around the area और वहां पर एक बॉर्डर दिखेगी और that it has been selected. जितना हमने उस इमेज को सिलेक्ट किया. Using the lasso tool. There are three types of lasso tool in Photoshop, namely the lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool and the magnetic lasso tool. Means पहला lasso tool हो गया और दूसरा polygonal lasso tool हो गया और तीसरा magnetic lasso tool हो गया. ये Photoshop में तीन lasso tool होते हैं. To see them, bring the pointer over the lasso tool in the toolbox and click and hold the left mouse button and menu will be displayed. The magnetic lasso tool help you to select any objects having complex edges. The step to use the lasso tool, मतलब lasso tool का हमें कैसे यूज करना है. तो open the image, click on the lasso tool to select it, click at the beginnings of the area to be selected, drag to trace around the space to form a freehand selections border. To close the selection, click at the starting point again. And last point है release the mouse button to complete the selection. फिर इसके बाद है extracting an image from the background. It is used to select an object with complex edge from an image. After selecting, it can be deleting, moved or copy. The steps are means यहाँ पर हम इमेज को डिलीट कर सकते हैं, मूव कर सकते हैं और कॉपी कर सकते हैं. Open the image. Select the object with the help of magnetic lasso tool. Open the select menu and click on the inverse option. The area of the image except the selected area will get selected. Press the delete key. Save the image with the new name using save as. मतलब यहाँ पर इमेज को सेव करने के लिए बताया है और सेव एज ऑप्शन में हम जाकर सेव करेंगे. फिर इसके बाद है यूजिंग द मैजिक पेन टूल. It is used to select adjacent area of an image which are of the same color. The step to use the tool are open the image and select the magic pen tool from the toolbox or click on the required color. जो भी हमें कलर चाहिए pixel and of same color will get selected. And now you can use the delete key to delete the selected pixel. फिर using the crop tool. The crop tool allow you to remove unwanted area of an image. Means जो unwanted area है उसको वो crop tool कट कर देता है. The step to use the tool are open the image, click on the crop tool in the toolbox. The shape of mouse pointer change to bring the mouse pointer over the image. Click and drag to create a rectangular selections over the part of the image that you want to retain. The marquee will have a small resizing handle. Size of the marquee can be adjusted by the dragging the handle. After adjusting the crop marquee, double click anywhere inside it. The part that lies outside the crop marquee will get removed from the picture. Working with images. You may want to copy a part of the image to same image or the some other locations on the same image. To copy a selection in the same image. The step to select and copy a part of an image to some other location in the same image are: open the image, select a portion using Mark Q or lasso tool, click on the move tool in the toolbox, keeping the Alt key pressed, drag in the selection to another location. To copy the selection to some other image, the steps are: open the image, make a selection using Mark Q tool or lasso tool, edit, select edit and copy. Open the destination image and select edit to paste. फिर है painting tool. Photoshop provide you various painting tools: brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool, history brush tool, gradient tool, paint bucket tool. Let us discuss some of these tools. First, a brush tool. The brush tool work like an ordinary brush and create a smooth stroke of the background color. The steps are: open the image, select the brush tool in the tool box, click on the down arrow button beside the brush options in the option bar. The brush preset picker appear on the screen. Click on the brush styles of your choice. Click on the back. Click on the foreground color box in the toolbox. The color picker pretty appear on the screen. Click on the color of your choice and click on OK. फिर है gradient tool. The gradient tool is used to fill a selected portions or an entire layer of an image with transitions of one color to another. It is one or more color blended with each other. We can fill an area with radial, reflected, angular or diamonds gradient. The step to use the tools are: open the image, click on gradient tool in the toolbox. From the option bar, select the gradient type, click gradient symbol in the option bar. The gradient editor window appear. You can choose any of the gradient from preset box or create a new gradient from the gradient bar. Select the gradient type. Click and drag in the area where you want to apply the gradient. Drawing tool. Adobe Photoshop provide collection of drawing tool: rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon line, custom shape, etc. The step to use the rectangle tools are: click on the rectangle tool in the toolbox. And second point is click on the foreground color box to get the color picker pretty, choose the required color. Third point, select the required shape in the option bar. Fourth point, select the shape layer option in the option bar. Fifth point, click on the mouse button and drag to draw the shape. Custom shape tool. It allows you to draw shapes other than basic geometric shape. It has a collection of predefined shapes such as flower, moon, arrow, leaf, etc. The step to draw custom shapes are: open new blank documents, click on the down arrow of the rectangle tool and select the custom shape tool. Click on the down arrow beside the shapes option in the option bar, select the required shape, click and drag the mouse to draw and shape and then release the mouse button. From here this chapters complete, and whatever exercise in these chapters I will make a PDF and upload it. Till then, good day. Thank you.